can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got this motion, dance in slow motion.
Guys, I am so excited because if you love organization and cleanliness like I do, then this video is going to be so satisfying. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany. I do lifestyle and homemaking here on this channel, so if you are interested in that sort of content, hit the subscribe button below and let's jump right into this video. So excuse the nursery rhymes in the background. My little baby is in the room right next to me eating his afternoon snacks and watching his shows, but I am so excited. I'm not excited about what I have to do. I'm excited about the outcome. Let me show you what we're getting into. I am actually organizing drawers in the kitchen, and I've already started this process, finished so to speak, unless I decide I want to get organizational bins. I really don't feel like I really need those right now, and I am trying to conserve where I can, but I am still going to organize anyway. I still have 2 drawers left, so I'm going to be tackling and finishing those today, and those are the worst of all. These are my 2 what I call junk drawers. One is actually a junk drawer, like stuff that I put away in there because I just wanted to put it somewhere. If I needed it, I could access it, but I barely ever go in that drawer. And then another one is an actual utility drawer that I go in all the time, but it is so unorganized that I've got to get it together. Let me show you what we're dealing with. So these are the drawers that I have organized. This is my silverware drawer, and I just keep the baby's plastic utensils right here, his spoons, forks, and straws. It's easier to keep them here with my silverware because I can just grab them at the same time. This drawer, I keep all of my baking utensils. This has got some sort of ink on it. I need to get that off. Measuring spoons of all different kinds, muffin tins, whisk, clips, just colorful stuff in that drawer. This drawer, I keep utensils that I don't cook with often, just different things like that. And then this drawer, I have other odds and ends that I don't use all the time as well. Graters, little utensils to cut vegetables and things with, my butcher knife, peelers, some straws. This one and this one are the 2 culprit drawers. Here's the first drawer. I am so ashamed. How did I let it get this bad? So this one is the one that served as like the utility drawer, so to speak. Needles, screws, batteries, a whole hammer. That should definitely go in the garage. Safety pins, utility knife. I use this all the time. I use the tape measurement all the time. I use the screwdriver all the time. Pins, staples. This is heart confetti. I don't even know what I bought this for, where it came from, what the occasion was. This says Thanksgiving 2019. This is definitely something I didn't stick in there, and this is definitely my mother's handwriting. She put this in there the last time she was here for Thanksgiving. Why am I just now seeing it almost a year later though? That's the funny part. I do have wheels. I'm gonna get a handle on this. This is going to be the trash can that I'm going to use to dump all of anything that I don't want in it. I don't want to put it in my regular trash can because I feel like I don't want to fill that one up. Let's go ahead and get started.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on.
Okay guys, so this is the cleaned out drawer. Got stains on the wood now. I could put a liner down. What are you laughing at? He's watching his show. So my idea for this drawer now is that I'm going to store batteries in here. And I have a lot of batteries that I've been storing in the garage. And I have read that you're not supposed to store batteries in... I'm sorry. It's okay. You're not supposed to store batteries in hot temperatures, and it does get hot in Texas, although it's not hot now. Today's the first day of fall and it's been beautiful, 60 degrees. Let's see how full this is going to get with batteries, and if I have any space left over, because I do have a lot of batteries, I will put my utilities in there. Okay guys, so this is the completed drawer. I have all of my batteries. These are D's, all C's right here, triple A's, double A's are right here, more double A's that were out of the box. I didn't want to throw them away because I don't have the original casing, but if they were in this drawer, most likely they work. I just don't have a tester. Wondering why I have all of these C batteries. When I was on bed rest during my pregnancy, I had to be on a medicine pack the entire pregnancy, and so they just kept sending me batteries. I don't want to throw away batteries that I can use because I do have flashlights and things that use C batteries. So as you can see, I do not need to buy any batteries. But then I also stuck my lighters in here because I use those all the time. I stuck my most used screwdrivers, a regular Phillips, and then a very tiny Phillips because I use those all the time inside the house. Tape measure because I'm always measuring things. A utility knife in here because, like I said, I use it all the time. I also stuck a lock. I was thinking about buying a lock because I needed one, but since I cleaned out my drawer, I found one. This is my completed utility drawer. And so this is what's left. I organized it into sections so that I could put it away in its appropriate spot. This is pens and colored pencils that will go in the office. Tools that will go in the garage on the tool shelf. This is an office supply right here. This is for my label maker, so I'll put that in that pile. Doggy nail clippers. This is some insecticide that needs to go out. This is my Ray-Ban cleanser or shine stuff, whatever that is. This is some coins that were in the drawer. I actually have a mason drawer that I keep in the laundry room now, so I'll stick that in there. These were backup. I have outlet covers on every outlet in the house that is the eye level of my son, so I have some extra ones. I would throw these away, but I just don't like to throw away candles. You never know. And then I have some party stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and keep these just in case I need them later. These are for the baby's pool that I bought for his 2-year-old birthday party. So I'll keep this in like the party bin that I have in the garage. These I'm gonna actually keep in this drawer because you never know when you might need some rubber bands. Little trash can pulls. I really don't need these, but I'll go ahead and keep them anyway too, just in case. You never know. This is all stuff for sewing, safety pins, needles, little fabric pins, staples. Those that go in the garage. Actually, I have a back order of office supplies in the garage, and these are actually the staples for the big gun that I keep in the garage anyway, so I'll keep those out there. Then I have this, of course, this little tub of screws that goes in the garage, and all these odds and ends. These are like new packets of screws, drill bits, fittings, bolts, washers. I mean, everything you can think of. Same here, Allen wrenches, things like that. These little wheels that I'm thinking about putting on the bottom of my big trash can that I put out. All that'll go in the garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this drawer and anything that can be added to those piles before I clean them out. I'll do that. And then I have this trash can here for all of the old mail that this is what the drawer currently I have a book in here. Oh my gosh. Invitations, lights, I don't even know what this is. I think that's a motion sensor, I think. A gift card I never used. I know that this is expired. Command strips. Yeah, I need to declutter this situation. Some of the mail that was in here when I opened it fell down in there. This is bad.
The crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wild.
Okay guys, now as you can see, this drawer is now cleaned out as well. And I'm gonna stick dish towels in here. Locate them. Bless you.
Bless you.
He's so cute. He says bless you instead of thank you when I say bless you. I love it. But get to my laundry and locate all of the dish towels. I'm gonna roll them up and keep them in here. So I ended up putting my dish towels, all of the microfiber towels, oven mittens. Normally I use these. I know they're Christmassy, but I just love how short they are and I keep them hanging on the fridge. Then I also stored my rubber gloves, 2 different sets. So that's what this drawer is. And what's left were, you wouldn't believe what I found in this drawers, guys. So all of these lights, I have a bin of lights that I keep in the garage, so I'll put those in there. And then here I found some more manuals and things like that. I have a tub of manuals in the garage. I'll stick those in there. Here I found keepsakes, and then here's some mail that I'll put in the office and go through that. And then you won't believe I found sets, which are house keys that the seller left in this drawer nearly 4 years ago. Ashamed about that. Guys, I am so happy. Okay, say yay! Yay! So I am so excited about these completed drawers. I'm gonna go ahead, put away where it goes out in the garage. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you are new. And I'm gonna leave some videos here on the screen for you for more homemaking content. And I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah.